A Dodge Challenger wheel spacers safe on your OEM wheels. Quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are essentially safe than mechanical components that push the wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force. A trick by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Dodge Challenger wheel spacers installed. Installed half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. Quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Dodge Challenger wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS multi-stage half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century metal ring is machined in multi-layers, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub branch, eliminating any possible gap. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, and the safer your driver will be. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. Thus, BONOSS multi-stage half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of wheel vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in package shape. These grooves allow the thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. In addition, BONOSS active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.